Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. Is your device acting sluggish? It does not need coffee. Try clearing its cache. A browser cache stores useful data, but a cluttered cache can slow your device's performance to a crawl. Watch this video till the end to learn how to clear the cache in all of your browsers. And now let's get started. First, you have to open your Google Chrome. And step 2, you have to access to the settings. Once you have a Google Chrome open, click on the three dot option on the top right corner of the browser. And over here, this will open a drop down menu. From this menu, you have to select settings. Scroll a bit down on the bottom, tap on the settings. And step 3, you have to navigate to the privacy and security. So right over here, there's a privacy and security option. Select that. And step 4, you have to select cache and time range, which is on the top option that says clear browsing data. Tap on that. And over here, there's the option that says clear data, which is on the bottom. Select that. And after selecting the appropriate options, you will be able to clear the Chrome data. And that's it. You have successfully cleared your browser cache in Google Chrome. By following these simple steps, you can improve your browsing experience and protect your privacy. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial.